I have a low-cost battery-powered circular saw here that has a little bit of a guard sticking issue, and so as the material enters it tends to bind up before pushing through. So what I'm going to do is put a screw in just a little ways up to give it a little bit more angle so that when the material enters it will help push the guard out of the way. And so I'm just going to use a really small screw. We're going to make sure it doesn't go too far in to conflict with the guard or the blade, and we'll put it probably right about there. So first thing we're going to want to do is remove the battery. This unit does have a lock, but best practice. And then I'm going to pre-drill the spot I want. And there we go.